Greeting, fellow soul travelers. I'm Esther, and today's Wednesday Wisdom is what you think is hidden is not. Because mind readers are far and few in between, most people believe that because they don't talk about their secrets, no one knows. Somehow, we all believe that what we are trying to hide from everyone is actually hidden. But the very thing you're trying to hide is what everyone sees. It is like that childhood fairy tale, The Emperor's New Clothes. The emperor was convinced he had a new suit of clothes, but he was stark naked. And that's the way so many of us are, naked. We think we are hidden and that no one sees our behavior or our inauthentic action. Because it is not flashing across our head in neon lights, we believe no one knows or can sense our secrets. We actually believe that no one notices it. I used to not really have a lot of patience with people that I judged to be slow or that I thought didn't know how to multitask the same way I did. I had no patience for others that I felt didn't see things the way I did. I was short and curt in how I responded to them. And I really believed that if I could hide how I felt. I thought I was projecting a persona of cooperation and collaboration. Not. That was just a form of control. Smoke and mirrors. That's all I had convinced myself. I had convinced it was reality. I wasn't actually controlling nor hiding anything. The response that I was getting from people didn't match the intent I thought I was projecting. It was totally opposite from what I wanted. Everyone could see my inauthentic behavior and even felt my impatient nature. And it didn't matter how much I pretended. The ugliness was there. Even if they didn't or couldn't articulate what they felt, they knew that something was off. I had to get real with myself and acknowledge what I knew deep in my soul to be true. It was me, not them. My behavior, not theirs. If I wanted something different, I had to do something drastically different. In that moment, I decided I wanted to show up authentic, loving, and to let my light shine as brightly as possible and to be the spiritual being I am. So I went to work on myself, and it wasn't always easy. Sometimes I still have to catch myself and correct myself. So what is it you think nobody sees about you and how you are showing out? Ask yourself that question. If you're not getting the results or response from others that you want, check yourself. Get real and be open and willing to take a long, hard look inside. Now, this may not apply to you, but if by chance it does, just remember, what you think is hidden is not. It's what everyone sees. How about that? Love and light.